Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make potato soup at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of potatoes, peeled and diced into 1-inch cubes. Also, have 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, 1 cup of milk, and half a cup of heavy cream ready. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of butter, 1 small onion, 2 celery stalks, and 2 cloves of garlic. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's build the flavorful base for our soup. Melt a 1/4 cup of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, add your diced onion and celery. Sauté these vegetables until they become tender and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Finally, stir in your minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until you can smell its wonderful aroma. This step is crucial for a rich, deep flavor. Next, it's time to cook our star ingredient. Add your diced potatoes and 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth to the pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. The potatoes should be fork tender when ready. For a creamy texture, mash about 2/3 of the potatoes directly in the pot using a potato masher. This creates a lovely, thick base. For the grand finale, let's make our soup wonderfully creamy. Stir in 1 cup of milk and half a cup of heavy cream. Heat the soup gently, but do not bring it to a boil after adding the dairy. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Garnish with fresh chives for a pop of color and flavor. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade comfort food. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.